Explain data with SQL. Like many organizations, Code Academy uses SQL, structured query language, to access its database. A database is a set of data stored in a computer. This data is usually structured into tables. Tables can grow large and have multiple columns. Multitude of columns and records. Spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets allow you to view and manipulate data directly with selected filtering, sorting, etc. By applying a number of these operations, you can obtain the subset of data you're seeking. SQL, pronounced SQL, pronounced SQL, or SQL, allows you to write queries which define the subset of data you're seeking. Unlike Excel and Sheets, your computer and SQL will handle how to get the data. You can focus on what data you would like. You can save these queries, refine them, share them, and run them in different databases. It's a great way to access data and a great entry point to programming because its syntax, the specific vocabulary that gives it instruction to the computer, is very human readable. Without knowing any SQL, or SQL, you might still be able to guess what each command will do. On her first day at Code Academy, Catherine wants to become familiar with the company's data, so she connects to the databases and uses SQL SQL to explore the database. One of the tables in Code Academy's database is called Browse. It contains information that each time someone visits the Code Academy website. Paste the following code into the code editor. No, I'm going to do it myself. So select all columns from the Browse table and limit it to display 10 records, semicolon. Yabba dabba do. This code selects all columns from Browse for 10 records. Once you correctly enter the code and click run, this instruction will turn green, letting you know that you've completed this checkpoint. So it's on to the next one. So we've got name, user ID, browse data, item ID. So you've got a browse table, items table, and a checkout table. And a purchase table. So, creating usage funnels. Visitors to Code Academy website follow a simple workflow. Browse items available for sale. Click an icon to begin the checkout process. Enter payment information to complete the purchase. Not all users who browse on the website will find something that they like enough to check out, and not all users who begin the checkout process will finish entering the payment information to make a purchase. This type of multi-step process where some users leave at each step is called a funnel. Catherine wants to determine what percent of users make it through each step of the funnel so that she can recommend improvements to Code Academy's website. Catherine's going to combine data from 3 different tables. So Browse gives the timestamps of users who visited different time description pages. Checkout gives the timestamps of the users who visited checkout pages. And Purchase gives timestamps of when users complete their purchase. Using SQL, she finds that 24% of all users who browse move on to checkout. 89% of those who reach checkout purchase. Click run to see Catherine's analysis. Select round up 100 times. Count distinct user ID. So we'll run that. The man insists he's clean. So we get Browse 24%, 89%. But security will run their inspection. And you get 472 rows. Analysing user churn. Next, Catherine wants to take a look at the churn rate. A churn rate is the percentage of subscribers to a monthly service who have cancelled. For example, in January, let's say Code Academy has 1,000 customers. In February, 200 learners sign up and 250 cancel. The churn rate of February with cancellations divided by total subscribers equals 250 over 1,000 plus 200 equals 20.8%. Catherine wants to analyse the churn rates for Code Academy for the past few months, so she writes another SQL query. Click run. So it's 16% enrolled. No, 16,435. March cancellations was 4,165. And the churn rate was 25%.